Dito sa framework, nasa taas yung DOLE, kung saan siya yung policy regulation. At nasa bandang ibaba naman niya yung Occupational Safety and Health Center, yung Technical Services, at yung BWC, yung Bureau of Working Condition. Siya naman yung sa Policy Formulation, at yung Employees Compensation Commission, yung ECC. No? Narinig ko na yan. At nasa baba naman yung mga Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao cluster. Ano ba yung legal basis natin dito? No? The Labor Code of the Philippines, no? Presidential decree pa ito, medyo luma na to. 442 noong 1974, Consolidation of Labor and Social Laws to afford full protection to labor, promote employment and human resources development, and ensure industrial peace. Okay, so cost standards natin noong 1978 and amend noong 1989. A set of mandatory rules on OSH which codifies all safety orders issued prior to its promulgation. At ngayon, dito sa ating bago na pinatutupad, itong Republic Act 11